Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking compatibility. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 13 or later and the flash drive is iOS compatible. Once done, attach the right adapter, Lightning or USB-C, so the connection is stable. Plug the drive into your phone and unlock the screen. You'll often see a Trust or Allow prompt. Tap Allow to grant access. This immediate approval lets the Files app recognize the drive. Otherwise, the device stays hidden, and you can't transfer files. You now open the Files app and select Locations to find the external drive. If it doesn't appear, reinsert the connector. Once visible, navigate to the folder you want, tap Select, and choose Files or Folders, then tap Move or Copy to your iPhone folder. Dragging works in split view on supported iPads, but on iPhone use Move for a full transfer. Make sure storage space is available. The app shows progress and notifies you when each file completes. You finish by confirming all transfers completed and closing the Files app, then unplug the drive to avoid data corruption. If the drive isn't recognized, replug it, try a different adapter, or reboot your iPhone. These quick steps often fix connectivity. Also verify the drive format. XFAT or FAT32 is preferred for iPhone compatibility. Reformat on a computer only after backing up. If problems persist, make sure iOS is updated, because newer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.